also known as Twin Crunch. So today we are making wonton soup.
Yes.
So for our ingredients we are using,
we have sugar, we have chicken stock powder, we have salt, carrots, ginger, garlic, and bok choy, and black pepper.
And then we have ground pork, garlic, green onions, fish sauce, pure sesame oil, and soy sauce. And last but not least,
wonton wraps.
Yeah.
And you can get this in any Asian market or even Superstore, Sobeys. Even Walmart have a few Asian ingredients now. So, yeah.
Anyway, so stay tuned.
Yes.
So in goes the garlic. This is the first step of our filling. Half of the chopped up green onions because we're gonna save some for the soup. Black pepper. I'll put in quite a bit because I love black pepper. Do 1 big scoop of sugar and a half. A little bit of salt. Sesame oil in. A little bit of fish sauce because we have salt already. So just a little. And soy sauce, but don't put too much because we already have fish sauce and just a little bit of salt in there. Just a little splash.
Next step is filling our wonton wraps. So we have our wonton wraps here. We're gonna take a scoop of our ground pork. Scoop it up. So you don't want it too big or too small. And then I just like take the 2 sides, pinch it tight because if it's not tight, the meatball will come out of the wonton wrap. So yeah, make sure it's tight and like not loose. The tighter the better.
We're gonna finish the rest of these.
So now we're finished our wonton wrapping. We're gonna start on the 3rd step, which is our
I
soup.
had a piece of ginger and garlic. Just leave it whole because we're gonna take it out anyways, just to season or to flavor the water. So I'm gonna add the chicken stock soup base powder. I'm gonna add 3 scoops for now. In goes a big scoop of sugar. I'm gonna do a spoon and a half. And I'm also gonna put in the sesame seed oil. Just a few driplets. Fish sauce. So I'm gonna stir it up. Coming to a boil, I'm gonna take out the ginger root out and the garlic. Put these wontons in. Just drop them in like that. And let it cook for maybe a good 5 minutes. Then we can add the rest of the ingredients in. So the wonton is cooked and it's floating up, so it's ready for black pepper. And then the rest of the vegetables, such as the bok choy and the carrots, they all go in. The vegetables will cook and they'll shrink down. And this is what it looks like once the vegetables cut or shrink down. And I'll just add the green onions in.
Alright guys, so we're finished with our wonton soup. Here it is, finished results. And now we're gonna just taste it.
Yeah. I like mine spicy, so I'll add sriracha in mine.
And I like my soup how it is because I like to taste how the broth is made. So.
And for more ingredients, just check down our description down below. We'll have a list of everything and tips.
Yeah. And people ask, can we use anything else like
Other than pork,
Yeah.
because some people don't eat pork.
yeah. So yeah, you can just use like ground turkey, ground chicken. Yeah. It's still good. That's good. It tastes wonton. that's it for now. The Twin Crunch is on a time limit. If you're new, don't forget to like,
Share, and subscribe.
Yeah, we can't wait to show you guys the next following videos coming up for you guys. And yeah, we're gonna go enjoy this.
Yeah, thank you for watching us.
Yeah.
Bye.
Sesame oil.
Sesame seed oil.
Sesame. Yeah, sesame oil. Pure sesame oil.
Yeah, but you said sesame.
Yeah, sesame.
Rewatch it.
Yeah, sesame.
Rewatch it.
Okay, guys, is it sesame or sesame?
It's potatoes. No, it's sesame sauce. Sesame.
Ew.
Are we saying it right? Why is one saying sesame and the other one saying sesame?
Oh shit.
Sesame seed, right? Sesame seed oil. It's sesame.
Are we saying it right?
We have so much makeup. Sesame.
Okay, there. I don't know what to say.
Who's that one?
So ghetto. Asno.
Nice to meet you, Asno. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
I'm older.
Mom, main thing.
I'm old, so I can say
You're not old. You're out of here. You're like 22.
You wish.
Okay, bye. We're gonna go record now.
Okay, thanks for nothing.
Okay, thanks talking to us. Alright, bye.
Thanks for nothing.
Fish sauce.
Soy sauce.
I mean soy sauce. Okay.